Hello guys, my name is Lucas, I'm working for BTA Garage, and today I would like to show you the latest project, which is Camaro Super Sport 1972 with a V8 5.7 liter engine. The Camaro, this model, been built in 1972, like you see, is a genuine super sport car, which means it's got lots of fabric upgrade. I will show you how it looks under the bonnet. As a proper American muscle with that beauty V8 petrol engine, roughly 300 horsepower or something about that. That version got the chrome top of the air filter, 2 valve covers, also chrome. It's got a Holy carburetor with the aluminum sport radiator with a bigger core than was previously. Let me show you maybe interior. There are genuine sport wheels. It's a funny story about the car. The car was bought in 1972. The guy who bought it used it for 3 years and then he decided to store it. And he stored it for 30 years. And after that, the second buyer just bought the car and started the restoration. He changed the engine, he did a couple mechanic things on it, and he left us to do the interior and the bodywork. Like you can see, probably some animals live in it, probably rats. It's beautiful wooden dashboard. The seats, this was the fabric, it was the white cream interior inside with a black dashboard and a black door panels. It's really good base, the floor is solid, a lot of work to do, but that car after rebuilds is worth around 40k, even more in some countries. Really nice project. Now I would like to show you the room where we store the old parts for our projects. That's all parts belong to Chevrolet Camaro, the specific the 1972, and we got all what we need from the body panels, interior, all small bits and pieces. This all parts will fit to this car and it will be like new again. That was the short introduction about our latest project, Camaro Super Sport 1972. Check our channel in 2-3 months, we will show you the final effect. Thank you for watching.